We started Merched y Môr as a brand linked to Welsh sailing because we've been running a load of initiatives around supporting female sailors, coaches and volunteers to get on the water. Our sport is quite unique in that our field of play is out on the water. There are no toilets out there, you can't even fill up a water bottle, so that was becoming a little bit of a barrier in terms of how do I even go for a wee or change my sanitary products. And then we've been doing a big push around getting female volunteers on the water, and some of that was to do with childcare. So yeah, we've been looking at some initiatives around breaking down those barriers.
At this event, we have our Croeso boat out on the water, where we have our 2 females, toilets, sanitary products. We also have a full race team of females, which is really exciting for us. We've been working really hard to get more coaches in, so female coaches, and any female coach that we do have, we've been really active in getting them to each squad that have girls in.
Mae Merched y Môr wedi helpu ni teimlo'n fwy hyderus wrth hwylio, oherwydd maen nhw wedi sicrhau bod fwy o menywod yn coach ni a yn rhan o'r byd hwylio. A fi'n credu bod hwnna jyst yn peth sy'n mor bwysig i ni i cael fel role models a pethau fel yna, so mae wedi helpu llawer.
We've introduced the Wishy Washy Station. This was more about trying to normalise weeing in your wetsuits. So a lot of the girls were saying that they weren't drinking on the water and they weren't going for a wee on the water. And so having the washing station for when they come in means they can just wash their wetsuit, and we can just help normalise that it's okay to wee in your wetsuit and potentially have a bit of blood in there as well.
With our period education, we've also been educating the male coaches and the boys that are in the squads, just to make the girls feel more comfortable, because with the training and you're in your different cycles, if they can go up to their male coach or one of their training partners and say, I'm at this point in my cycle, and they can talk about it with them, then they're not gonna sit there with all these feelings and uncomfortableness to themselves.
There's a lot of research around girls not doing sport because they're on their period. I think it's really important that we try and stop that messaging, and that it is really important that you can. There's such a thing as like period power, and that when you're on your period you can feel a lot stronger and a lot more competitive. And yeah, the products that are available mean that you can break down those barriers and they can take part now. So I think we just need to promote the girls that they can do it.